the video. I am now going to solve question number 2 that is given. V proportional xy square z. So proportional is actually direct. We are not provided with the direct variation. So it means there is no indirect variation. We are provided with direct variation and we are not provided by inverse variation. So it means that only direct variation is there. So we'll solve it, okay? So V directly proportional to x y square z. W is equals to W is equals to 5, x is equals to 2, and y is equals to 3, and z is equals to 10. And we have to find what is the value of v in when we're having x is 4, y 7, z 3. So now, as previous, what you're going to do is find the value of k. So you write v proportional x y square z, replacing the sign, putting equal, and having the use of k, that is x y square z. Now what are the values? For the first case we are being provided 5 here, or either you can replace it also, like you write 5 over x y square z by k. So 5 is v w, sorry, and x is 2 multiplied by 3 square y square, and z is 10. So now 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Now it is equals to k. You can write it 1, 2, 3 threes are 9 and 2. So you will get 1 over 4 by 9 and 1 over 36. This is the value of k. Now you are going to find the value of w for number 2. What you are going to do? You have the variation that w is equals to k x y square z. So w is equals to, what is k? K is 1 over 36. Then you multiply by x. X is 4 and y is 7. 7 square, and z is equals to 3. So what you can do in this question, if you know, that is 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So v is equals to 7 sevens are 49, and what is 49 divided by 3. So this is your answer. Now let's solve the third part of this question. Now let's proceed the video. Question number 3. Y directly proportional to x cube and y inversely proportional to z square t. So now guys, in this video you have provided with both of the variation, direct and inverse. So for the joint variation case, you can write it like this: y proportional x cube divided by z square, and the third variation is t, like this. So now you're going to replace the value, either you can read value or symbol of proportionality with equality, and now you're going to add the k sign, that is the proportionality constant, and x cube divided by z square and t. Now you're going to find the value of k. For that you can re-symbolize that you're going to multiply y z square t, k x cube y z square t equals to divided by x cube and k. So for the first case, either you can write by using 1. By using 1, it's like this, that you're going to use the values of the first case and then you're going to use it for the second case. Okay, like this you're going to solve it. So what is the value of y? It is 16. Z is because z is square now, so it's 2 and square, and t is 3, and lastly x is equals to 4 cube, like this. So guys, firstly you can write the squares in cube and then you will simplify, and it's equals to k. So 16 plus 2 4s are 2 to the 4, multiply, okay, and 3 4 cube, 4 4 is 16, and okay, if you don't know the cube, don't worry, don't have a calculator, no worries, you can simply write 4 4 and 4, 16 and 4, 4 and 64. If you don't have anything, so no need to worry it, simply आपने ये काम कर देना. तो क्या क्या 64. These are the techniques which I am telling you so that आप जल्दी जल्दी से अच्छे से पेपर कर सकें. तो 4 ones are 4. Okay. And you know that how much 4s are? 4 ones are 4 and 4 6 are 24. Then you know 16 ones are. So you're remaining with 3. So this is the value of k. Now you're going to for 2 you're going to find the second case. That will be y is equals to kx cube divided by z square t. So what is the value of k? 3. X is there 3. So 3 cube and then z. What is z here? 3 square and t is 4, like this. So what you can do is 3 into 27. 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. 3 3s are 9 and 4. Very simple. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. I'm writing okay now? Like 3 1s are 3, 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3 9s are. So you have get the value of y, that is 9 by 4. Now let's proceed with the fourth question. So this is a method to solve the questions. These are the 3 questions. The other 3 questions we will discuss in the next video. I hope you may have learned the concept of joint variation. In the end, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel to get new and innovative content about math.